Do you want to ensure better handling of your automated systems? Yes. Do you want to improve the efficiency of the diagnostic machines? Obviously, yes. Do you want to locate the channel faults quickly? Of course, yes. Do you want to simplify the troubleshooting process? Well, definitely yes. Do you want your machine designers to set up easy to operate, handle and convenient modules? Yes, yes, yes. Then what are you waiting for? Katlax Connectors and Cable Assemblies are here just for you. Katlax manufactures a wide range of connector and cable assemblies consisting of male and female, which are straight or of 90 degrees configuration with gold-plated pins and polyurethane molded body, and PVC, PU or PUR jacketed cables. The brass knurling with bush provides extra safety and reduces wear and tear. Neoprene O-ring provides protection from ingress and makes it weatherproof. Types of connectors manufactured, both male and female, by Katlax are as follows: M8 snap type, M8 3 pins and 4 pins, M10 4 pins, M12 4 pins, M12 5 pins, M12 8 pins, screw type, M12 with and without LED, rack and panel mounting, customized packaging, ASI bus bar. Katlax, the name which is synonymous to sensation, senses the needs of the clients and appreciates that saving time and money is of paramount importance for any business venture to prosper. Thus, Katlax has diversified into manufacturing user-friendly connectors to facilitate the implementation of wiring jobs in the automation projects and to speeden up maintenance, thereby maximizing production lineup time. Katlax Connectors allow fast and easy replacement of sensors, switches and control components. These sensor connectors provide mechanical safeguards against vibrations. Tired of mess of wires everywhere? Now, be rest assured, Katlax Connectors are here to reduce wiring to a great extent. In fact, even the I/O wires of the connectors can be crimped together, thus making things look neat all the more. Katlax Connectors cut a long matter short by detecting short circuits to prevent the system from going down. Their salient features: Katlax Connectors are factory molded to the cable for durability. All connector cables are characterized by a very high mechanical and chemical stability. Male and female contacts are available in 3, 4, 5 and 8 poles pins. Female connectors can be supplied with or without LED. Available with varied lengths of wire of different cable materials such as PVC, PU, PUR and Teflon, etc. Couplers are nickel-plated or plastic for chemical environment. The connectors are mechanically keyed to prevent mismatching, so no possibility of wrong connection. IP6768 protection provides protection from ingress water, thereby makes it weatherproof. Katlax Connectors have a wide range of applications and are most appropriate for being used with sensors in conveyors, automated machinery, textile machinery, plastic molding machinery, packaging machinery, printing machinery, pharmaceutical machinery and many more customized applications suited and designed to your requirements and needs. In short, it is nerve center of any automation process. Katlax Connectors and Cable Assemblies, connecting for convenience.